give my study room a nice refreshing. So we're going to mix up a blend that's good for cleaning the air. I'll be using my Mila Eve essential oils and my Mila Eve diffuser. This is the smallest diffuser that I have. So I'm going to show you guys how I mix this blend, and this recipe was actually directly from the Mila Eve website. So we're going to start off by filling our tank to the max water line, whatever that is in your tank. Okay, and then I am going to go ahead and add my oils. The first thing I'm going to do is add about 5 drops of rosemary oil. Okay, so now that we have our rosemary, we're going to move over to our cinnamon leaf and add about 3 drops. Okay, so here we're adding in the cinnamon leaf. 1, 2, 3. Well, 4. So we're going to complete this by adding 3 drops of orange and about 8 drops of lemon. Our lemon is what really gets our air clean. So we're going to add those 2. I do want to say, if you have pets, be careful when you're dealing with citrus because it may irritate them. I don't have pets, so I don't have to worry about that. Now that I've added my last 2 oils, added the cover to my tank, and now we're just going to turn on our diffuser and let it do its thing. And with this, now you don't have to do yours as strong, or you can do them stronger. If you have a larger tank, you can go a little bit stronger if that's your preference. Or if it's too strong for you, you can go lighter. I prefer stronger scents. So I'm just going to let this run its course. This particular diffuser has automatic shut off, so don't have to worry about coming back and checking on anything. And there you have it.